Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Figma for auto layout subscription onboarding screens, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Figma and create a new file. Select the frame tool from the toolbar. Draw a frame that resembles a typical mobile screen. Name this frame onboarding screen. Duplicate the frame to create multiple onboarding screens. Decide on the number of screens you want for your subscription onboarding process. Start with the first frame. Add a title at the top with a catchy phrase related to your subscription. Use the text tool to create a brief description below the title. Incorporate an illustration or image that represents your service. Place a next button at the bottom. Style the button to make it visually appealing. Duplicate the first screen for each subsequent frame. Modify the text and images in each frame to provide unique information. Next, create an auto layout for each screen. Select the elements within the frame. Click on the auto layout icon to enable it. Adjust the spacing between the elements to ensure a consistent layout. Test the auto layout by resizing the frame. Make sure all elements adapt accordingly. Now, group the frames together for easy navigation. Select all frames and create a component for better management. In the right sidebar, navigate to the Prototype tab. Create interactions by linking the next buttons to the following screens. Add transition effects for a smooth user experience. Preview your prototype to ensure everything works seamlessly. Make any necessary adjustments to text, images, and buttons. Finally, export your frames if needed. Your subscription onboarding screens are ready for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.